That you're gonna have to slow-mo that too.
Hey guys, this is Julie with Dawkins Family Farm, and today I think I'm gonna do it. I don't know. The one thing we haven't shown you on the property, which I'll probably include a little bit of, is the new photography studio. For some of y'all that may not know, I'm a photographer and I've specialized in newborns for the past 13 years. So lots of babies are now teenagers that I've photographed, and all the way down to tiny ones. I've been doing some lifestyle newborn photos lately in people's houses as we moved and got a new studio up and running. So, but I think it's time. I have one major thing left to do on the new studio, and that is to put the floor finish on the concrete floors. We've painted them, but they need a hard ultimate finish, is what I think it's called, on them. So I think today is the day I'm going to do it. I don't know why, but this part has been really, really scary to me. I don't know if it's because it's permanent. Like, if I paint the floor and get something on it, I could just touch up and repaint over it. With the gloss, like shiny finish floor thing, if I seal something in, it's there, So anyway, but I can't avoid it much longer. I have a 1-year-old session coming up soon, so anyway, I thought I'd show you the before we have anything on it, and then when we start putting it all together. So this is the entrance. It has its own separate entrance with the double doors so we can open it. And when you look out, it is the pasture. So super excited about that view and all the things that we can do out there with family photos and different things. I have planned for the fall for a grant to plant me some sunflower patches and zinnia patches and wildflowers and all kinds of stuff. So it's gonna be really, really pretty. But until then, we got the studio. So let me take you in here. So this is it. You enter, and there is the kind of bar setup. Has some refrigerators for some drinks and things like that for people. And then this is the corner that I'll actually use to do the newborn sessions, and then all the props and things will be along here. And then right when we come in, there's a big seating area, so we'll have the couches here. And then along this wall, we'll probably have a TV and some entertainment things and games and books that kids have. So a separate bathroom. I'm really, really excited about this. So for the past 12 years, I've just been photographing in our house. We had an extra, in one of those houses that was built with an extra large dining room that no one ever uses. It was like a formal dining, formal living together. And so it worked perfectly, it was perfect size. But it's still having people in your house all the time, and I probably did it with the hardest days is when we had toddlers and they couldn't pick up after themselves, and nothing was ever picked up. Not that anything is really picked up now, but it's better than when you have all the little toddler toys everywhere. But this is its own separate entrance, which is really great. So super excited to get it all put together. So anyway, that's what I'm doing at the farm today, is working on this, and then pick up the kids, and Jack has football, and then we'll probably go. Well, I know Luke and Grant are going to check the armadillo trap tonight and see if they caught anything over in the Oak Grove garden part, and collect eggs and those kind of things. So maybe we'll take you along a little later and show you all the animals again. All right, wish me luck. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Julie, Caroline, and Luke with Dawkins Family Farm, and we just got a blessing from heaven. It has been raining finally all afternoon. So we are so blessed and excited.
The grass is much greener.
The grass is it seems like the grass is already much greener within minutes. So we're super excited, and so are our cows. they seem to be happy and out grazing and
And they've
actually,
been crying for food.
yeah, they're kind of, anytime they see us in the evening,
They'll
start
be like,
bellowing and,
give me food!
yeah, and asking for food. So we're gonna go down and feed them. One of
see
them we
you
actually, Savannah named Cat because it meows almost for the food, like meow. So, all right, let's head down and check
I
on
thought his
them.
name was
Let's see. We got Radio, our baby.
That one. Just
She's all wet
from the
in
rain.
the rain. Yep.
Whoa,
And then we
I
got
don't
Big
wanna
Joe.
show
Big Joe really likes the food, so we might have to go ahead and, hey, let's feed inside the pen.
Okay, I got one.
Yep, we're gonna feed Big Joe inside.
Hey guys, over here. There you go. Spread it out right here. Hey, Rudy. Right here. Rudy.
Yep, we're all fighting for the little bit of food.
Rudy. There's some right there.
I
Right
know
there.
it. They don't even know when we spread it out, did we?
Oopsie daisy. There's poop there.
Oh. It's okay, Sunny.
Sunny's the really shy one.
Sunny is super shy.
I named her. I
Yeah.
got so close to her one time that she
And I got
breathed on me.
And I got to touch her one time.
Really?
Yeah. When? Oh, I feel.
And there's Rudy. Oh, Big Joe.
Big Joe. Big, here you go. Mama. Eat some up. Listen.
You can probably just pour out the rest of the bucket. Here, right here.
A little bit of food, look.
Hey, Radio.
You're so tiny. You're so tiny. So tiny.
And Sunny.
Sunny is a really shiny. I don't want to.
Yeah, and there's Rudy.
I'm trying, I'm trying not to get a Big Joe. Mama.
Hey, Big Joe.
Big Joe.
And there's Cat.
Mama, look at Rudy.
I know, Rudy.
Radio was like, hello. He backed it up. He's like,
Radio.
Radio's
Get
poking his
stepped on,
little.
baby.
Radio's just the. Radio's just a baby. Radio's the baby. They're all boys. Yeah. Oh, Big Joe. Oh. Look at little Radio. Radio's so cute. Is he your favorite cow? No. What? Rudy is. I like Sunny. Where's Sunny? Rudy? Makes me. Oh, there's Sunny. Look, Sunny's finally getting. I bet this is probably gonna look. Sunny's finally getting up close to the fence.
Yep.
It's help. Mom, look at little Radio.
Radio.
It's so cute.
Radio is so cute.
I like this one. This is my second favorite.
That's Cat.
Because if you can see, look, there's like a little, like curlies. See?
Oh.
Curlies?
Curly's on top of her head.
Yes.
She does have curlies on top of her head, don't you?
She's like,
Oh, well, technically it's a he.
wait until I get ready. Okay, I'm ready. Hello.
That's Cat. Cat has curly hair. Up.
Mom, look at that.
Yeah.
Did you just see that?
Well, yeah.
Hey,
They're
Mom,
fighting
Mom,
like
while you're editing that, you're gonna have to slow mo that too.
You think?
Yeah, cause that was actually pretty epic.
So we're over here at Oak Grove Gardens, which is
This is my Mama's and Papa's house.
it's our my in-laws, Mama and Papa, and we're gonna check on the armadillo trap to see if Luke caught anything. If he did, we'll have to tell Dad, and he'll have to take care of it because Mama's not gonna do that. But we can go see if he caught anything.
Yeah.
Does that sound like a good plan?
Yep.
Speaking of Oak Grove Garden, if you have not followed Oak Grove Garden on Instagram, go do it. It is incredible. She's a master gardener.
So is my Papa.
And she's actually at a conference in Mackinac Island right now with some of the very best gardeners in the world. So
Really?
that's really.
She's one of the best gardeners in the world.
I know, and that's why she's there with all of her friends. So it's pretty cool to have that in the family.
Mom, does the island have palm trees and stuff on it?
The island does not have palm trees because it's in like way up north. And they only have horses and carriages and no motorized vehicles. Isn't that really cool?
Does it look like this basically?
Well, it's different. They have different kind of plants up there, but they have some of these same ones. So.
Do they have daisies?
They do have daisies. I saw the garden answer today, her friend, who is known as the garden answer lady, do a program today, and they had daisies.
Do they have zinnias?
So, okay, let me flip it around as we walk through the garden to the armadillo spot.
Anyways, we got this caterpillar.
You found a caterpillar?
Yeah.
Yep. All protecting itself.
Which we're gonna feed it to the chickens today.
I like these. I don't notice these in her garden.
I don't know what these are.
It's almost like a bleeding heart. I'm not sure what they're called, but those are really, really pretty.
I don't think they're in full bloom right now.
You don't think so?
No, because I think they're.
Oh, maybe they close up when it rains.
Yeah. And then this.
Oh, and here's it in pink. Here's that same red flower in pink. Let's see.
What is that?
Is this or a C, I think.
I think
I think.
Hey, I saw one of these plants back there, but
Yeah,
it's
it is.
my color.
There's dark red over there.
Yeah, these are pink.
I know. And the salvia. I do know a few things.
Up in my pocket.
Put the caterpillar in your pocket?
Yeah. I don't want to hold it.
All right.
Yesterday we found a snake.
You did find a snake yesterday.
And I got to hold
it.
that
A big
video
snake.
down. And it was so sweet. It didn't even bite me.
It didn't bite you, thank goodness. I'm not into snakes or biting snakes for that matter.
That snake was a good snake.
All right, it's the moment of truth.
See?
I don't see anything in there.
Oh no.
It doesn't look like anything's in there. Bummer.
Nothing's in there.
Nothing's in there? Is it
It's not.
Is it still set? Yep. All right, well.
I don't know what to do. We can just wait.
We'll just have to wait and see. He probably, when he set it off the night before, he probably got spooked and thought, I'm not going to go that way again.
Yeah. So
So,
what are we going to do now?
well,
That's up to Dad.
yep, Dad will have to check it out.
Today. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hello, back.
And the number one thing to remember when gathering eggs is to,
Make sure that chickens don't come out.
and to,
Close this.
close the door is the number one thing to remember.
Because
Last time.
if you leave it open, they will tend to get out.
Yep, they will just jump out and then
What
roam
kind of bird
free.
is that?
I don't know. Here's all the ladies.
Hello, my fur baby.
Hey, do y'all have scratch to give them?
Wait. Oops, sorry, Mom.
Hey, guys. You got some scratch? Yep. All right.
I do got some mealworms.
All right. Yeah, give them some mealworms. Give them a little treat.
Actually, all spilled out. All of them. Because the bag was upside down when I found them. Look at that.
I know. They love their mealworms.
Does it help them lay eggs?
Yeah.
Mealworms are kind of like candy.
They are like candy. Here, scoot back so Caroline can throw some in there.
Oops. Oopsie daisy. Look at that. We're just going for the candy.
Yeah,
Look at all
it's
the
like chicken
chickies.
candy. All the mealworms.
What happened to all the rest of the chickens? I thought there was more chickens than this.
Well, you know, life happens.
What happened?
I cut a chicken. He kind of looks like our chicken.
Our chicken used to look like that, yep.
He's way much bigger. They're so warm and so soft.
They're warm and soft.
Oh my, okay. They don't like me.
Come on. Let's get
I
out.
tend to not like the white ones because apparently, to me, they act mean. They get fun.
No.
All right. Lock the door. All right, well, that's it for our evening chores. So this is Julie, Caroline, and Luke with Dawkins Family Farm.
Signing off.
And we will see you next time. Until then, do something you love.